it was the vision of the great fire. So God was going to send a supernatural fire. It means that this fire is not like the normal fire whereby you can just lit with a matchstick. Yes? It's fire coming from heaven. It's supernatural. It cannot be what? Extinguished. So God here was going to send fire in the whole of the land to consume every crop and where every Israel was living. To consume everything. Because of the sins, of their sins. So what God was saying that there will be a total destruction of crops and also the people. Where the people are living in, everything was going to be consumed. But also Amos pleaded with God on behalf of the people, and God did what? Forgave them. Now we go to verse 4. Verse 4 to 6.
Thus the Lord God told me, behold, the Lord God is calling for a judgment by fire, and it devoured the land deep and was eating up the land.
Then I said, O Lord God, see, it looks deep. How can Jacob stand? He is so small.
The Lord repented concerning this. This is also shall not be, says the Lord God. Man with a plumbline in this house. That's the Lord God showed me the Lord God was showing me.
We are supposed to reach verse 6, right?
Yes.
So